Hi, I'm Alan Bresnick from Light Reading. We're here in Denver at SCT Cable Tech Expo, and we're meeting with Technicolor with Luis Martinez-Amago. Hi, Luis. Nice to have you here.
Thank you for having me, Alan.
Sure. So tell us first about what you're seeing in the cable market right now, both on the data side and on the video side.
I think there is a very dynamic market those days. During the last 2 years, we see a number of changes in all categories. In the access, in the gateways, with the introduction of DOCSIS 3.1,
Right.
many engagements, a lot of discussions about what is the right architecture
Right.
and what are the options that people should implement. On the video side, it's even more dynamic. The market is very fluid.
Right.
We have the in-house solutions of the big players,
Right.
but there are people considering other options that is creating a very dynamic market.
Right. So how do you cope with all the dynamism in the market?
We want to be in all camps. We need to be with the big guys, and we are with all, not only cable but telco side.
Right.
We are in all categories with them, and we need to help the other customers, the tier 2 and tier 3 customers,
Right.
and see how they evolve. So, for example, in the video side, we know that the big guys are still investing heavily in their own in-house solution,
Right.
Xfinity or Spectrum. And we know that other people that were still investing in the in-house solution
Right.
are abandoning them because it's a heavy investment, not free of risk. And some of them are either migrating to join Comcast in their syndication program and take
Right.
advantage of all the quality and performance of this platform. But there are others going to a much more open platform, using Android TV as the platform to be used,
Right.
and introducing on top their own user experience. And we are really seeing a big success in this camp as well. The other one is natural for us because we are a big partners for Comcast and Charter.
Right.
But the small ones in this adventure, we are leading the introduction of new devices based on Android TV,
Right.
and other people are introducing the experience on top of this. So very dynamic, and extremely happy of the win rate that we're having in this field.
So it's more than just traditional cable set-top boxes and cable modems.
Is different. Is the middleware, as I say, is Android TV based,
Right.
with all the capabilities that this brings. From the hardware point of view, there are a variety of solutions. Some
Right.
of them evolve into purely Wi-Fi type of set-top boxes,
Right.
IP based. Some people still trust in Mocha as the solution. And to link with another aspect in the market, when you have a Wi-Fi set-top box
Right.
mixed with any other device in the home that is using Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi is becoming one of the key opportunities and challenge of the industry, because everybody is bringing a huge amount of broadband to the house.
Right.
But after that, in the house, I think we need to do a lot in order to improve the experience, because it's a big challenge
Right.
in order to guarantee the service experience of consumers.
It's a big bottleneck in the home, right?
It's a big bottleneck. It's
Right.
a big bottleneck. And the point is, we see today two big avenues
Right.
of people fixing this. Either the consumers goes to retail
Right.
and buy extenders or Wi-Fi devices, which is throwing more equipment in the home.
Right.
That not in all cases is the solution. Okay, we believe that only 20% of the houses requires additional devices.
Really?
The other 80% can be fixed just reconfiguring the network in the house, maybe improving the gateway, and every gateway is becoming with better capabilities.
Right.
But 80% of the problem can be fixed by operators with remote solutions that cloud-based, that can supervise what is happening, reconfigure access points,
Right.
and guarantee a service experience which is better than today. And only in 20% of the cases, it may require to be sent an extender.
Interesting. Okay. So do you have some new Wi-Fi products coming out?
Yeah, we are leading the gateway space, and we are shipping new gateways with much better capacities in terms of Wi-Fi. But we're also having a solution which we call a wireless doctor, which is a cloud-based solution that can supervise all the devices using Wi-Fi in the home, understand what are the devices connected to the different access points, and see what the problem is. Sometimes just reconfiguring the equipment can facilitate reduce the interference between equipments,
Right.
or the power of the equipment, or we can move equipment from access point to access point, and with this we can reduce the interference and the performance, the lack of performance in the house.
Good.
So it's already running in a big operator,
Right.
with more than 1 million devices, and every day we learn new capabilities that we can bring to this solution. We are very motivated, and we believe that that will be a key product in the coming years.
Okay, so a year from now, how do you think the market will be different?
I think the gateways will keep improving performance, and that will fix part of the issue.
Right.
I think the retail solution will still be there, and there are very nice products in retail to fix that. But in my opinion, the operators will make this their strategy to make sure that they extend the broadband and the quality of the broadband not only to the gateway, but to the whole experience in the house. Not to say that there will be new solutions, what we call in the family IoT, which at the end is to provide more than just television or internet. There are many other things that could be offered to subscribers in the house, and the backbone of all that will be the connectivity in the house. So Wi-Fi is and will become the much more important component of the house.
Okay, it's going to be interesting to watch all this develop. Thank you for your time, Luis.
Thank you very much.